Hey boo babies, I am back with this really cute blunt bob that I decided to do on this really beautiful unit that I received from Nadula hair. Of course, y'all know the gist. We got to keep the hair braided underneath these wigs. So I'm reinstalling this wig after literally 3 months, you guys. It's definitely giving one of Tina Turner's wigs right now, but we're going to get it together, okay? Because this is maybe like the 6th, 7th time of installing this unit. So I'm just using a little bit of rubbing alcohol, a flesh tone wig cap to install it. But I'm going to show you guys the initial install. You guys, like, this hair was so beautiful. I customized it, I laid it, and it was just perfect. I gave myself some layers. Look at that lace. That lace is just super realistic. I just didn't like the baby hair swoop that I gave you guys in the initial install, so I was like, we gotta scratch that. I'm gonna update them a little bit later on, showing you guys how well this hair has been holding up. But like I said, it's giving very Tina Turner-ish right now. But don't trip, because I'm gonna show you guys how it comes to life, and you can just revert this hair without doing the most, but also it lasts for a very long time, okay? I'm gonna have this wig for some time. But while I was in Florida, I ended up cutting a bang into the hair, so that's why it does look a little bit more short in the front. But yeah, so I'm just using the ORS hairspray now. Y'all know that has been my jam lately. I was using Got to Be Glue for the initial install, but the ORS definitely holds a different kind of placement in my heart, and I have been loving that hairspray. So I'm just taking the teeth of my comb and making sure this lace is melting just like how it did with the initial install, and that's, you know, it's giving very hairline vibes for me. And I did add a part in the hair, so that's why it looks very clean. So that part is still there. I'm just fixing up the baby hair. Sometimes you have to do this, girl, because when you snatch that wig off or just have been having a wig for a very long time, you kind of have to like tweak it again every time you install it. And I love doing that because it just, you know, makes you feel like you have a fresh install. So that's basically what I'm doing right now with my shears. And then I'm going to use this little stocking cap to tie around so this melts into my hair. Now, this is when I was like, you know what? I should have had washed the hair, because when you wash the hair, you kind of get like a fresh blowout feel. But for this video, I knew that I was going to end up cutting this hair. Like, you know how you just know you're about to do something, but you really didn't plan on doing it? I just wanted to press it out and show you guys like it updated. Like, you know what? It's thin enough, but full enough for me to do a really cute bob. So that's what I'm going to do towards the end of the video. I'm just going to continue straightening my hair real quick with the Baby Bliss flat iron.
Again, baby, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I hope you and me can kiss again. Nigga fly, baby, come out, baby, more friends. Are you hopping for me? Know a nigga popping, I'm so ghosty. Baby, I know what you want, and I wanna be the one to supply.
So this is how beautiful the hair is. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my shears and just cut it to where I would like this bob to be. Now in the future, I plan on making this a super short bob and just take some photos with it on Instagram. But I didn't want to scare you guys, and I didn't want to make the joke on me. But hopefully I do like it. I was kind of really like skeptical about if I wanted to do that right here on camera, but just, you know, vibe out while you see me finish this really easy bob. I like to start longer towards the back and then work, you know, with whatever I need to work with afterwards, because once you cut at it, girl, it's not growing back. So just be careful, and I'm just smoothing it out and then just going to use my hairspray just to keep everything tamed at the top. But this is Nadula hair, you guys, and their information will be listed in the description box below. Once again, I love Nadula hair, and they're always coming through with really great quality, but make sure you check that density, girl. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.